Hello, respectable audience. Question is, minus 2 times 3 divided by 4. And remember that answer should not be equal to minus 3. So we will solve it. Minus 2 minus 2, it will be minus 4 times 3 divided by 4. So minus 4 times 3, it will be equal to minus 12 divided by 4. And minus 12 divided by 4, it is equal to minus 3. But remember that answer should not be equal to minus 3. So it is wrong. Now I will write again the question. Question is minus 2 times 3 divided by 4. We have to follow the order of operation. So first of all, we have to solve this multiplication. We will get minus 2 minus 2 times 3. It will be equal to minus 6 divided by 4. Now, minus 2 minus 6 will be equal to minus 8 divided by 4. So minus 8 to 1 will be 4 will be equal to minus 2. Minus 2 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.